Well, somebody asked how my boat's set up. First of all, we got a great fish finder. It's simple, works great, tells me what I need to know. We got some rod holders all the way around, a couple different kinds, but they work, they're stable, they do what I need it to do. Go all the way around the front, that way we can fish off all sides of this boat. It's a simple setup, really. There's nothing spectacular about it. We got what we need. We got our bait. We use live bait mostly. Use bluegills. We do use other things, but we try to give them what they want. So I think we got that covered.